that? Four of Wands, Four of Cups. You used to be so happy with this person. It feels like a fairy tale come true. But with the Four of Cups, it looks like it's something na hindi na nag-e-exist ngayon. Let's see what's happening right here. Hope na makakuha tayo dito ng answer for that why. Someone here could be asking, why? Bakit? Okay. There's someone here na parang may kailangan ditong i-cheer up. For some reason, I do not see that that's your energy. It could be the energy right here connecting to yours, okay? Parang kailangan siyang i-cheer up, no? Kailangan ba natin ng pom-poms dyan, Miss Yan? Pwede naman. Hindi yung ganong klase ng cheer up, no? Parang ipapalakasin yung loob. Parang yun yung kailangan nitong energy na ito. And it's like, himneseo, chingo, yan, no? Hang on there, friend. Parang gano'n, no? Yeah. Meron ditong kailangan ng pampalakas ng loob. Queen of Swords. I'm seeing places. Okay. Flashes of different places. Iba't ibang lugar. Oh. Okay. Just heard the word pagkikita. Yeah. Bottom of the deck, Three of Wands, Justice, Three of Swords. Looks like there's this pagkikita, like I'm getting this other term, okay? Usapan. Yan. Someone is happy about it. Maybe you agreed on this. Pumayag ka makipagkita with this person right in here. Yeah. But definitely there's something here. Yeah. I'm gonna tell it to you, okay? But before that, now let me just greet everybody muna. Hi and hello there everyone. My name is Yan. Welcome new subscribers, returning Istam buyers. Thank you sa inyong walang sawang love at support for me. At kung hindi mo pa alam, meron pa tayong main channel ang The High Priestess. Ang link niya nandyan sa ating description box down below this reading. And of course, okay, this is timeless, no? Remember, wala tayong time period dito. So, pwedeng ito ay nangyari na sa iba. Sa iba nangyayari na po ngayon, sa iba ay mangyayari pa lang, no? And also, we do not have any gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT, everybody welcome. You can also switch roles if you want, okay? But here it looks like it's not switchable, okay? You cannot switch this. The energy is very firm. It's very compact, okay? So yeah, I do see that there's this usapan right in here, no? And I do pick up that you agree on this. You will agree on this, okay? So, the pagkikita, no, is nakatakda or nakaschedule. Usapan ninyong dalawa. I'm seeing two energies right in here, okay? I do pick up that this is the person with the Queen of Swords energy. You cut this person here before, or this person cut you off before. Okay? Regardless of what it is, there's this pag-cut ng connection before. So, ibig sabihin, this pag-uusap ay mangyayari pagtapos ng pagkaputol ng connection or ng inyo rito, no, after ng separation, no. So I do pick up that whoever this energy is, this is someone here now with the devil right next to justice, an energy here of someone who betrayed you, like a past lover energy. So whoever this ex of yours, I do see, okay, na kayo ay posibleng inimbitahan niya, nakiusap upang kayo ay magkita at maaring ito ay iyong pinaunlakan. Yes! That's a malalim na Tagalog word, ang pinaunlakan. I'm so proud of myself, no? Kaya mga babes, natutuwa ako kapag nagbabanggit ako ng mga malalim na Tagalog words, no? It's like an achievement for me. Okay, bayaan niyo na ako, guys. So, yun nga, no? Pauunlakan or mag-yes ka, no? Mag-a-agree ka sa imbitasyon na yan, no? Na sige, makikipag-usap ako sa'yo. Saan ba tayo magkikita? Mga ganong klase ng energy. So, kung sino man tong energy na ito, nakikita natin dito, no? Na masaya siya. This person here is happy about it na pumayag ka rito or papayag ka dito. Okay? Remember, this is timeless. Okay? So, nakakita tayo dito ng energy, no? That this is you. Okay? This is someone here who betrayed you. Okay? I do see, no, that itong pag-uusap na to, okay, is something here that your ex really looks forward. Nilulook forward niya itong pagkikita ninyo. Itong usapan na ito, no, is something na pinanghahawakan niya. Okay? Pero kagaya ng binanggit ko kanina, there's something here, no, na nakikita ko dito na, okay, I'm seeing different places, isn't it? Okay, flashes of different places. So, ibig sabihin, pwedeng yung person mo or ikaw yung nag-iisip kung saan magkikita, pwede rin yun, no? But definitely, no, maaaring energy iyon, no, na magkikita kayo sa isang lugar, yan, no? So, usually, yung mga nakita kong places, no, has something to do with dining, restaurant, no, or, coffee house, okay, or milk tea shop, mga ganyang klase ng energy. So, probably, maaring high chance magkita kayo, no, sa mga restaurants. Okay, possible rin, no, na coffee house, mga ganong klase ng energy. Yan. So, kung sino man tong energy na ito, nilook forward niyo na yan, pinaghahandaan niyo na yung mga babes. So, nakita ko pa nga sila rito na maaring 2 days before that, okay, maaring sila ay magpunta ng salon, magpagupit, pakulay ng hair, mag-ayos, no, nakita ko rito yung iba mag-aahit rito, no, ng bigote, no, hindi na kasi naayos yung sarili nila. Kami tumutubo na rito mga bigote. Kasi wala silang ibang ginawa rito, no, kundi isipin kayo, no. Iba naman mga babes, no, wala tayong gender dito, binanggit lang natin kasi lumbas naman talaga, no. This person here wants to see himself or herself tidy, no. So, gusto niya ritong ayusin, no, at maging looking clean siya rito, no. So, hindi ko alam kung magpapa-clean cut ba ito, yung iba magsasalon dito for the girls, no. Gagastos ito, yung iba magpapa-rebond pa rito, papa-cellophane ng buhok, During our times, no, uso yung cellophane na yan. Ewan ko lang ngayon kung may cellophane na, no. Di pa ako saka nagpupunta ulit ng salon, mga babes, no, yeah, okay. Because I'm maintaining my long black hair. Yan. May gano'n. So, yun nga mga babes, 'no, okey. Nakita ko dito magpapa-grooming siya. Nakita natin dito na siya ay mag-aayos rito 2 days before, 3 days before, 'no. Dito bago ang inyong yakso, no, I mean schedule, no, nag-Korean. Ang inyong schedule ng pagkikita, ayan, okey. So, nakita tayo ng energy rito, 'no, na kung sino man 'tong inyo ritong ex-lover, I do see that this person right here is someone who's excited. Kita naman dahil dun pa nga lang nung nag-agree kayo, 'no, whether that's a text message or a chat message or even phone call, you agreed, okey? Parang super happy na siya dun, 'no, kasi pumayag ka. Okay, or sumang-ayon ka gano'n, 'no. So, nakita ko rito, 'no, on the day or yung iba, hindi mismong araw, the day before, yung iba the night before, yung araw ng inyo ritong pagkikita or yung schedule ng inyong usapan or pagkikita, 'no, nakita ko rito na yung iba sa inyo the night before or yung mismong araw, no, na nandoon na kayo, no, I'm seeing you right in here, changing your mind. With the Six of Swords right in here, and the presence very strongly of Queen of Swords to this Five of Wands energy. Okay, what does that mean, Miss Yan? Yung iba sa inyo, if it is on the day itself, pag malapit na kayo doon sa meeting place or doon sa lugar kung saan kayo rito, usapan ninyong magkikita, no? Nakita ko rito, no, na pag malapit ka na ron, mapapahinto ka at hindi ka tutuloy sa venue place. Yan, no? Hindi ka tutuloy sa inyong meeting place. No? Nakikita kita ritong nagba-back out, nakikita kita rito na umaatras, not because you're afraid seeing this person here, but because you've changed your mind. Because there's this realization with this judgment energy, okay, and this Ace of Swords, there's this big realization right in here, no? Na hindi mo naman na siya kailangan pang harapin, no? Parang meron ka ritong, you're mature eh. Nakita ko rito eh. May naisip ka rito na something na parang hindi naman na ito kailangan. So, ba't ko itutuloy itong gawin? Yan, no? Yung iba sa inyo, I'm seeing you right here. You're not afraid seeing this person, but you feel like, bakit pa? Yun, no? So, yung iba sa inyo, na-realize nyo yan agad-agad the night before the yaksu or the schedule right in here, no? Okay, the night before that, no? Nakita natin dito na, okay, nakapag-desisyon ka na nagbabago ng isip mo at hindi ka na sisipot dito. Okay, so yun na nakita natin dito, no? And this is something here na hindi alam nitong person na to na magbabago ang iyong mind, no? Kumbaga parang una, nakita kita rito na sige, payag ako rito. Sige, pupunta ako dyan. Makikipag-usap ako sa'yo, makikipagkita ako sa'yo, no? May pagpayag, may pagsang-ayon, may agreement, no? Pero nakita ko dito, okay, habang papalapit yan, yung iba the night before the day of the schedule, yung iba naman the day itself, nakita ko rito, okay, hindi ka na sisipot or tutuloy dyan. Yan. Okay? Others of you, nakita ko rito, the night before or the day itself, okay, yung iba magsasend pa ng text message, lalo na yung mga may gusto pang sabihin, no? Pero nakita ko rito, kung may gusto pa kayong sabihin, hindi yun long message. It could be short message lamang, no? So, may energy dito na kahit na nandoon ka na, like ilang hakbang na lang, no, to the meeting place, okay, magsasend ka ng message, no? At sa text mo na lang or, you know, pwedeng sa tawag mo na lang sabihin na hindi ka natutuloy or hindi ka nasisipot, no? Short lang yung message mo for this person. Nakita ko kasi rito, mga babes, no, na you are already mature. May babanggitin ka rito, may na-realize ka rito, bagay rito na parang nakikita ko no, na parang bakit pa? Ayan, no? So, parang may energy ka rito na kung may gusto ka man na sabihin sa kanya, kung may natitira ka pang gustong sabihin sa kanya, sasabihin mo na lang yun sa tawag kahit nandoon ka na, no? Or sa text, no? Sa chat kahit nandoon ka na. Pero yung iba sa inyo, nakita ko rito, no? That with this Eight of Wands energy, Ace of Swords, and there's this Four of Swords, no? Talagang hindi na kayo magsasend rito ng message, no? Parang ini-ingene nyo na siya. Indian, 'di ba, yung other term ng hindi na kayo rito sisipot, hindi kayo rito magpapakita, wala ring message. Yun nakikita ko dito sa iba sa inyo, 'no? And without any judgment, okay, your feelings are all valid and if this is what you're gonna do, okay, I'm seeing the mature you. So nakikita ko rito, no, na you have your reasons and your reasons are all valid. Okay? So, nakikita natin dito that this is something here that this person, your ex-lover, no, ay ikalulungkot niya ito. Yun ang nakikita natin dito. But, you know, however, at the end of the day, Three of Wands, Justice card energy, Three of Swords, no? Okay? Hindi ka susulpot dito, hindi ka rin sisipot. Okay? Yung iba magpapadala rito ng kanilang text message or tatawag, no, bilang last call nila dito sa taong ito. Okay? Yung iba naman, i-enjoy ninyo na talaga siya. No, whatever the case may be, this combination tells me, no, na maghihintay pa rin siya sa inyo. Yan 'no, kahit na parang unti-unting pinapatay nito ang puso niya, yan. So, you mean to say Miss Yan, puwedeng this person right here is realizing na ako pala talaga yung mahal niya or mahal pala talaga niya ako. Yeah, eh, pasumida. Eh, you're right. So, kasi naman 'tong energy na 'to, nakikita natin dito 'no, na maybe, this person here is someone who betrayed you in the past, okay? But this person right here is someone with the Judgment card energy, someone who regrets it so much. So, yung araw ng inyo ritong pag-agree sana, yung araw rito na parang nagkaroon siya kahit na parang, minimum kumbaga 'no, na pag-asa 'no, very minimal na pag-asa. So, I do pick up right in here that this person will still wait on you, even though waiting on you, parang pinapatay daw ang kaniyang puso. Ano, pasok April boy! Wala na bang wakas? Ayan. Yeah, wala ng wakas yung nakikita kong paghihintay niya rito sa inyo 'no, like hindi ko nakikitang titigil ito anytime soon, yeah. So, okay, these are all the messages I've got right here. For the angels, I'm sorry mga babes, no, I'm not seeing 1, but I'm seeing number right in here, okay? I'm seeing double 10. You know, could be seeing 10-10. This person could be seeing 10-10, but definitely 10 is an energy here of ending. So, yun na nakikita natin dito. Alright? So, yeah, these were all the messages we've got right here for you, sweetheart. Thank you so much again. I'm Yuriana on Sarang Heya Love and Light. And yeah.